I'm going to show you how to replace the dome light for a 2005 Toyota Rav4. It's the same for 2001 to 2005. This is a super easy job, and here we go. So what you want to do is you want to take a pry tool, and there's going to be 4 points on, this is the actual dome light, obviously. So there are 4 points here you want to pry under, and it's super easy. There's nothing hard about this at all. So all it is prying this plastic part off here. And 1 second here, I'll get my pry tool and show you how to do that. Alright, so the best one I've found to use is this Half Moon pry tool. It's super easy, and you just want to actually get in this little lip right here, right there, that little cutout right there, and I'm going to do that here. Super easy, don't worry about hurting anything, just go easy as it goes. So you just want to stick it right here and just push down, and it is off of there, and it's going to drop here. And there is the LED, which I have already replaced, and I will show you the model number or the part number so that you know exactly what you're getting. This is the part number DE3175, and make sure to look up here in the top left hand corner. That is the color of the light. This one is a cool white. Be careful, there's another one that says blue, unless you just want the blue light. There's 2 different lights. There's a blue and a cool white. So unless you want the blue white, go ahead and get the blue white, but this is the cool white LED light. And I will show you what the other one looks like. Okay, this is the original bulb. It's an incandescent bulb. There you go. And this is what each end looks like. It's a pointed end, so you want to keep that in mind. On each side, it's a pointed end. Alright, so it's going to be super easy. You just want to pull it out. There are points on each end, and there's holes where it fits into. And when you pull it out, you want to be very careful not to drop it. So it might be smart maybe to put a bowl underneath this part right here, so when the light falls out, it'll fall into a bowl, or just kind of cup your hand under there to make sure it falls in there good. But here we go. I'm going to show you. I'm going to pull it out here. Okay. So you just want to pull it out. It's a little bit snug in there. There, I got it out a little ways right there. But you just want to keep on pulling it out. I'm not going to pull mine out because I've already changed it. But you just want to pull out on it there. And when you put it back in, you want to hear a little click so that you know that it's in there. And you are ready to roll. So to turn it on, there we go. It is working. And I just noticed something, that the LED has, the light obviously is shining up in there, so you want to spin it to where it is the actual light there. See, the actual light is facing down into the vehicle. See there? And the other side is covered. It's kind of like a shield on the other side. But anyway, that's how you do it. It's super easy. Don't let it intimidate you. And have a good time, guys, and always follow your dreams. To put the cover back on, this part is also super easy. See these little holes right here? You want to take your cover. Here's the cover. And you just put your little lips into the holes there and snap her into place. And that's it. That's all there is to it.